Looks like I got lucky and I get to camp tonight. Alright, so we are hoping to get a camping spot tonight. Got here early and keeping the fingers crossed that today I will get lucky. Looks like I got lucky and I get to camp tonight. So let's get everything set up. It's been such a beautiful day. It was a little windy this afternoon, but temperature's been really nice. The winds are starting to die down now, and it's just incredibly peaceful and quiet out here. I'm trying to take advantage of some shade under this rock for now, but the sun's gonna go down in a couple hours, and I'm looking forward to getting a campfire started and cooking up some dinner. So I'm gonna try something different for dinner. Nothing fancy. We're gonna try noodles and beef in mushroom sauce. So yeah, fancy. Cooking, let's get a fire started. I'm going to try starting the fire in a different way than I usually do. So BigFoot Bushcraft sent me some of their fire starters to try out. They included this nice little tin that contains the fire starters as well as this very high quality ferro rod. So I'm going to demonstrate now, this will be the first time that I'm doing it, just how to start a fire with these fire starters. Give that a go and see if that works. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but I'm sure it's going to work. According to BigFoot Bushcraft, these stay lit for 5 minutes. If you are interested in trying out these BigFoot Bushcraft Firestarters, I will include a link in the description where you can purchase your own. And if you use the discount code SoundMineADV, you will get 15% off. Looks pretty good. Alright, it's that time. Time to get some shut-eye. I don't know why you're still out there. Well, it's time to start packing up. The worst part of a camping trip.